how to buy Amazon returned items for cheap. Open up Amazon, then you will click on All in the top left corner. Now from here, you need to scroll down until you see the option for Programs and Features. Here, you want to continue scrolling down until you see Amazon Outlet. Click on Amazon Outlet, and now you will see here today's deals, coupons, renewed deals, outlet, and Amazon resale. We want to select Amazon resale. Once we select Amazon resale, as you can see here, our search bar changed to Amazon resale. I'm just gonna say quality pre-owned, used, and open box products. Okay, so now what we have to do is simply search for the type of item which we want to resell. For example, here, let's do air fryer. Okay, once you type air fryer, make sure Amazon resale is selected here, and you just want to find the product which seems suitable. So for example, let's do this air fryer here. You will click on it. It is going to give you the best deal. So size, here you can see all of the information, and then you will just go through the normal purchase the purchase procedure. You will click on add to cart, then proceed to checkout. You will check out, and then that's basically how you do it. That's how you get opened or returned items on Amazon. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.